when he tries to go somewhere. Who leaves? I wonder how often this happens.
I don't know. Maybe that's how all those bugs get in there.
I figured that out. That's what she's hunting.
Uh-oh.
We're trying to get in the house.
You might want to get the keys. You might want to get the keys. Yeah, to put the window up.
Not without the keys.
Not with the cat in there.
Not without the keys.
Where? She jumped in there.
We were trying to get in the house.
She jumped in there and we got her out, and then she jumped back in again.